What's good, YouTube? In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to add task edge panels onto your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This will work for the S25 Ultra, S25, and the S25 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to add task edge panels onto your S25 series of phones, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for display, and then from there what you want to do is hit display. From there, what you want to do is scroll down and you want to look for edge panels, and then from there you want to hit edge panels, and then from there you want to look for panels and hit panels, and then from there you can select task. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to add a task edge panel to your Samsung Galaxy S25 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.